I'm joined by Tom from Jawline, who has so generously gifted our WPT Tournament of Champions players with this product. It's a beard oil.
Yep.
Now, what is this all about?
A beard oil is something that every man with a beard who is serious about his beard has. It keeps your beard moisturized, it keeps it shiny, but also what we have done for the World Poker Tour is we've created a special edition, special blend with essential oils that not only smell great, but they are also chosen to increase memory, focus, concentration during the game.
That's genius.
Yeah.
It's right there. You'll be smelling it the whole time you play.
Yeah, and it feels great. Want to feel it?
Yes, this is very. Oh, it is so silky and shiny.
It's silky and shiny.
All right, it works. I mean, this man's serious about his beard.
Absolutely.
So if people want to grow a beard, what should they do?
They should definitely go to jawline.io. We have a 3-month beard challenge. People can sign up with their email, and we'll send them all the information and support they need to start growing a beard. And they can purchase the World Poker Tour Special Edition blend, and they can purchase it online.
Awesome.